Hello guys. Happy Wellness Wednesday. So I wanted to hop in to Instagram today to share with you everything about the Nourish Your Body Challenge, which is starting next Monday, so August the 12th, and it's going to be following my 5-star #1 best-selling cookbook on Amazon, which is called Nourish Your Body, a 30-day healthy and delicious meal plan. So this challenge that's coming up is going to be one of the most inspiring challenges that you can do this year, because it's not about deprivation, it's not about starvation, and it's not about restriction. It's not about pushing your body to extremes. It's not about forcing you to do things that you don't want to do. It's all about creating healthy, long-term, sustainable habits. And so this might be completely different to every other kind of challenge that you've ever done before, because this is not about making you into something that you're not. It's about allowing your inner goals to really direct you towards what are the daily action items that help you to move towards your healthiest and your happiest self. So the Nourish Your Body Challenge is literally so simple. There's just 3 things that we're going to be doing every single day. And these are things that are going to nourish your body, your mind, and your spirit. So in terms of nourishing your body, all you have to do is pick up a copy of my cookbook, the Nourish Your Body cookbook, and you pick one recipe from the cookbook that you're going to try each day. So this could be a different recipe every day, or if you find one that you really love, then you might want to continue doing that one for a few days. And maybe in the weekend, you try a different recipe because you have more time. But the key here is we're learning how to create a quick and easy, simple and delicious recipe to help to nourish our bodies every single day. I have a ton of recipes in here, including smoothies, salads. I have chia seed pudding. I have lots of different kinds of like barbecue chicken or lemon oregano chicken. I also have my everything bagel salad. I have desserts in there, including a chocolate mug cake and double chocolate protein balls. There's so many good, yummy, delicious recipes in here that are great for nourishing your body. So we're going to create that healthy habit that we are worth it to be able to spend a little bit of time to make some food that we know will really nourish us. So that is action item 1. Action item 2 is going to nourish our minds. So the thing that I've noticed about being a nutrition coach for so many women is that we tend to have more negative viewpoints of our bodies and our relationship to food. And so what we're really going to work on during the next 30 days is how can we make that a more positive relationship when it comes to looking at our bodies, as well as how we relate to food. And then the third thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be nourishing our spirit. And by this, I mean, how can we literally fill up our proverbial cups every single day with purpose and feel fulfilled? And the way that we do this is by really tapping into our most powerful hormone, oxytocin. If you've ever been one of my clients or seen me in a masterclass, I talk about oxytocin a lot because it is the most powerful hormone. And just like all of the recipes in the Nourish Your Body cookbook, which help to balance your hormones, daily actions and creating healthy habits can actually help to fill up your proverbial cup and balance your hormones too. So this is not just a challenge that will help you to lose weight and lose inches. This is going to help you to create healthy habits in your life, not just what you're putting into your body, but what you're creating in your home as well. So I love this challenge because it is not like any other challenge that you've probably heard of before. It is really one that is created to help you to step into your healthiest and happiest self. I cannot emphasize that enough. I actually had a client a couple weeks ago that I spoke to, and one of her biggest realizations was that she had been putting off her happiness, and she was noticing how that was negatively impacting her health. And what we ended up deciding after this realization was that her happiness is the most important thing that she can focus on, because her happiness directly affects her health. So I just want to leave you with that, because no matter what might be occurring today, if it's a really tough day or it's been a really tough week or a month or year, there's always a choice that you can make in regards to how you want to move forward. And if you really want to utilize the next 30 days to create yourself in a different way, to be healthier, to be happier, then this Nourish Your Body challenge is exactly that. So make sure to comment below I'm in, or send me a DM to find out more information about the Nourish Your Body challenge. Once again, we're starting next Monday, which is August the 12th, and we're going all the way through to the first week of September. And so this is a challenge that you'll be able to get access to no matter where you are in the world. We'll be hosting it on Telegram, which is a fantastic place to get into community with other amazing people that really want to level up their health and happiness too. And so I love that space for keeping, all of the inspiration, keeping the motivation going, everyone sharing their photos of their food and their drinks, and just really allowing this to be a really positive and happy place. So if you want to find out more about the Nourish Your Body challenge, make sure to let me know, because we start on Monday. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can also go to my stories and drop a question in there, and I'll answer them too. But that is everything that you need to know about the Nourish Your Body challenge. I hope you will join us, because I know this is going to be such a wonderful and inspiring space to be in, especially as we are moving into the last 5 months of the year. Can you believe it? And so if you had set a health goal for yourself at the beginning of the year and you haven't achieved it yet, now is literally the best time to get started on that health goal. And I know that I can help you, no matter what the health goal is, to be able to really bring that into fruition. So once again, Nourish Your Body challenge starts on Monday, and I hope to see you there. Bye, guys.